Welcome to this quick exploration challenge information video for week 1, artificial intelligence in the classroom. This is just a quick description to help clarify any questions you might have based on the requirements here for our exploration challenge. So this week's exploration challenge really has 2 elements. Element 1 is using ChatGPT or Google Bard and taking those responses and adding them to a Google Doc. The second part is using DALL-E and having it create an image and having that inserted here in the box. So part 1 you see right here, we're going to create a Google Doc. So you can go ahead and create yourself a Google Doc. And then there are 4 prompts listed here. You're going to create or do all 4 of those. Number 1 is ask any question you want. So ask the AI any question you want a response to. Number 2, ask a follow-up question about that. And then number 3 has a question to do about food. If you want to do your follow-up question with food or a list, that's fine. But somewhere in here, have it ask a follow-up question about your original prompt or query. And then lastly, have it generate a list for you. So really 4, an original question, some sort of a follow-up question about that, a question about food, and then a question to create a list. And then when you do that, you're going to copy paste those responses into that Google Doc. So for example, here's one. And notice I'm going to select when I do this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the question I had initially and then pull down here to get those, and then I can go ahead and I can Control C, or I can right click copy and I can paste. So then I can see then what the question and response was. So I'm going to do that then for those 4, and I'm going to add those all to this single Google Doc. If you want to ask all those questions in a row and then just do one big copy paste, that might be easier than one at a time, but it's totally up to you. Be sure then on that Google Doc, and it has here, that you change those permissions. You're going to share that. You're going to change the access to anyone with the link can be a viewer, and you can copy that link. And then we can come back here and we're going to paste that link then in this box so that I can check out that Google Doc that you created with those ChatGPT or Google Bard responses. The second part is then you're going to use DALL-E, which is part of this ChatGPT tool, to create an image from your language description here. So in that then, you're going to download that image, whatever it is, and then you're going to insert that image into this box. And if you don't know how to do that, just click in the box. Once you've downloaded and saved the image either directly to your computer or to your Google Drive, you can come up here to insert an image, and then you can either choose it's on my computer or it's in my drive and navigate it, and that should then insert that image directly into this box. Don't forget to include the sentence that you used to create the image. So that'll give me kind of a description of what that image is. Lastly, 2 kind of reflection questions about what you liked or didn't like, and that's it, the exploration challenge. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. I'll be glad to clarify anything that I can for you. Thanks.